In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Apollo.io. Apollo.io is a powerful tool that helps you find and connect with potential leads, making it an invaluable resource for sales professionals and marketers alike. Let's walk through the process, starting with creating your account. First, you'll need to visit Apollo.io. Once you're there, look for the Sign Up button to begin creating your account. You can register using your Google account or with your work email. I recommend using your work email if you intend to use Apollo for professional purposes, as it keeps everything organized and in one place. After you've registered, you'll be prompted to answer a few onboarding questions about your role and company. These questions help tailor Apollo's features to your specific needs, so take the time to provide accurate and thorough responses. Next, let's set up your profile to ensure everything is personalized just the way you need it. Go to the Settings section, where you can add relevant details about your company. This includes the company name, industry, and any other pertinent information that might help refine your searches later. It's also essential to connect your email account, whether you use Google Workspace or Outlook, to streamline communication with prospects. Once you've done this, make sure to configure your email signature, which will be automatically appended to your emails, ensuring you're always presenting a professional image. Now that your account and profile are set up, it's time to dive into the core functionality of Apollo.io, finding leads. Click on People in the left menu to begin your search. Apollo.io offers a variety of filters to help you narrow down your prospects to those most relevant to your needs. You can filter by job title, industry, location, company size, and even the technologies they use. This is particularly useful if you're targeting specific niches or trying to reach individuals in certain roles. For instance, you might want to find marketing managers in SaaS companies with 50 to 500 employees. Once you've set your desired filters, click Search to view a list of matching prospects. When you've identified some promising prospects, it's crucial to view their detailed contact information. Open a prospect's profile to see their email address, phone number if available, company details, and LinkedIn profile. As you review these profiles, be sure to save those that stand out to you for future reference. To keep everything organized, it's helpful to create lead lists. Select the prospects you'd like to group together and click Add to List. You can create a new list, perhaps titled US SaaS Leads, to keep track of contacts in that particular category. Once you've named your list, save the contacts, and you're ready to move forward with your outreach efforts. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to effectively using Apollo.io to find and connect with the leads that matter most to you. Happy prospecting!